Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 18th birthday, Mare. I am so grateful that you've been my best friend since grade 8 of our homeschooling journey together. And through our ups and downs, you showed me what true friend is for. And kahit you're so far away from me, you still stayed, you still supported me with my stuff going on here. And just so you know, just to remind you, I am your one call away friend that you can rely on if you need something, or if you need help, or if you need someone to rant with. I am always here for you. And yeah, I will support you through everything as a friend. And ayun, hanggang sa nakita tayo sa Mega Mall nun, you showed me how ate you are to me, because you taught me how to skate, ganon, even though we both know that I don't know how to balance, to the point na nag-rent tayo ng bear, and that was too embarrassing of me. I'm so sorry, but ayun, yeah, you showed me how ate you are, how independent you are to yourself, and how caring you are. And ayun yung nagpapastrong ng friendship natin together, how we both care for each other as well. And ayun, I hope and I wish everything that you wanna wish in life. And sana matupad yon. And for your college journey naman, good luck to that, and good luck to adulthood. And just so you know, just to remind you, I am gonna be here pa rin for you. If you need someone to rant to, I am just here. I will always be here, one call away friend for you. And ayan, happy legality to you, Mare. Enjoy your adulthood and enjoy life always. Just stay positive and happy and pretty. Mwah mwah. I love you.
Hello, likes. Wow. Parang kailan lang baby ka pa namin. Nung nasa Malaysia tayo. Yeah. Masaya ako kasi kahit papano, kahit sa video message na to, naging part ako ng pagdadalaga mo, ng dibo mo. Yun, nalulungkot ako kasi personally hindi makadalo si Tita Bel kasi sobrang layo natin, 'di ba? At naiiyak lang ako kasi yung baby na inalagaan namin noon, yung baby namin na kinakarga namin, hinahabol namin. Ngayon, dalagang dalaga na. Ganun katibay yung yung pagkakaibigan namin ni mami mo. Kasi sa hirap at sa ginhawa, ayun, nagkasama kami sa Malaysia. At ikaw din naging parte ng buhay namin doon. Kaya super thankful talaga ako, likes, dahil hanggang ngayon naalala niyo pa si Tita Bel kahit hindi tayo palaging nagkikita. Ay, naiyak ako. Sobrang miss na miss ko na kayo. At yun nga, pinagpipray ko kay God na naway bigyan kanya ng maayos na buhay at maabot mo yung mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay. And pray lang palagi ng gabay at patnubay at care and love kay Papa Jesus. And ayun, mag-ingat ka palagi and enjoy mo lang yung buhay na pagkadalaga mo ngayon, and basta palagi kang mag-iingat, and palagi kang humingi ng guidance sa mama at papa mo dahil palagi silang nandyan para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Likes! Happy 18th birthday! And God bless you. And I love you so much.
Hello, I feel like a happy birthday. It's your debut. I hope you have a great day.
Hello to Krishna, happy 18th birthday. Ingat ka palagi and more birthdays to come. I miss you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Laika. May you continue to make your family proud with your kindness and all your accomplishments. I hope to see you guys soon, and happy birthday again. God bless. Bye.
Hi Laika! Happy 18th birthday! 18 means that you're already entering the adolescence chapter of your life. Therefore, my wish for you is always be strong, be happy, be kind, be healthy, be a good daughter to ate and kuya, be a good example to your little brother, and be lovable still, and give love to the people you love the most. So, I really miss you. I really miss you here in the Philippines. So, I hope to see you soonest. And good luck on the challenges that you might encounter in this 18th chapter of your life. And if you want to talk to me, just hit me up on Instagram, girl. We can talk about many things. And yeah, good luck on your college. And I hope that you will reach your dreams. And see you soonest. Okay? Happy birthday again, Laika. And hope to see you soon. Bye! Miss you daw, sabi ni Mami.
Hi, Laika. Happy 18th birthday. First, I would like to commend your parents because they brought up such a respectful, kind-hearted, God-fearing, and caring young lady like you. I wish you a good year ahead of you. I know you're doing good in school. Keep it up and remain as sweet and loving person as you are. Okay? Enjoy your birthday and see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hi Laika! Happy blessed birthday! Enjoy your day! Bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang baby ka namin dito sa Penang. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. Anyway, happy blessed birthday! Be a good girl always. I love you. I miss you, Likes. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Laika! Happy 18th birthday! It's me, your Tita Pretty Ann. Okay, so yes, grabe, 18 ka na. Like, paano? That's so fast. Like, sabi ko sa mommy mo when she requested me to do this video, 18 na si Laika? Ang bilis. So like, before, when you were still a baby, ako yung nag-cut ng hair mo, I believe, or was it the nails? Can you correct me if I'm wrong? So like you were that small pa lang and now 18 na. So grabe, ang bilis talaga. So all I want to say is that I would like to welcome you on this special milestone of adulthood. I hope that you will have so many blessings, so many laughters and unforgettable memories. And I just wish you nothing, of course, but good health. Stay sweet and kind. And always love your mommy and your daddy, your little brother, and I know he's no longer that little, but just continue to love them. And I guess that's it. I just wish you all the best. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. Just enjoy this special milestone in your life, and may God bless you always. I love you.
18th birthday, Laika. I hope you enjoy your day. Always study hard, and we hope to see you here in Canada. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Laika! Hope to see you soon. Study well. Be a good girl.
Stay healthy and come visit us here in Canada.
Happy 18th birthday from all of us in Canada!
Happy birthday, Ate Laika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laika. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Krishna, happy birthday. Tagal na natin magkakilala pero di pa rin tayo nagbi-meet up. Kasi nung pumunta ka ng Pilipinas, di mo sinabi sa akin. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana maging healthy ka palagi and always stay humble and joyful, ha? Bye.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.